Jabir ibn Hayyan 721 to 803 AD. Jabir ibn Hayyan is generally known as the father of chemistry because he was the first scientist in the history of chemistry who prepared acid called hydrochloric acid. He was probably the first scientist who had a well-established laboratory. He invented experimental methods such as distillation, we have discussed in the previous video, sublimation. What is sublimation? Generally, there are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid is converted into liquid and then liquid is converted into gas. But in sublimation, solid directly converts into gaseous state without converting into liquid. That is called as sublimation. So sublimation, the process in which solid directly changes to gaseous state without converting into liquid. Example, naphthalene. In Urdu we call it as kafur. It's a white powdery substance. When heated, convert into vapors, that is gaseous state. Filtration, we have discussed in the previous video. Extraction of metals, etc. He prepared hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Nitric acid, chemical formula is HNO3. And white lead. White lead, it is a heavy, white, poisonous substance insoluble in water used in paints. Chemical formula, lead carbonate, lead hydroxide. It is the formula or it's a chemical formula for white lead. Next, Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi from 864 to 930. Al-Razi was a physician. What is physician? A medical doctor and qualified to practice medicine. Chemist and a philosopher who studies philosophy. What is philosophy? It's a study of knowledge, truth, nature, meaning of life. He wrote 26 books, but the most famous book was Al-Asrar. In this book, he discussed the different processes of chemistry. He was the first chemist to divide the chemical compounds into 4 types. 4 types of chemical compounds. Number 1, organic compound. Number 2, inorganic compounds. Number 3, covalent compounds. And number 4, ionic compounds. Organic compounds which contains carbon as a main component. For example, glucose formula is C6H12O6. Methane CH4. Inorganic compounds are considered all compounds except organic. For example, water. Covalent compounds formed due to covalent bond. Covalent bond is a sharing of electrons between the 2 atoms. For example, water. In water, hydrogen and oxygen share the electrons. Ionic compounds are formed due to ionic bond. Ionic bond is the transfer of electron from one atom to another. For example, sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, sodium atom loses electron, chlorine atom gain electron, sodium ions, chloride ions are formed, and hence sodium chloride, an ionic compound, is formed. Okay. And also divide the substances into living and non-living origin. According to him, some substances are derived from living source and some substances are derived from non-living source. Examples: oil, which is obtained from a living source, that is the plants; water, which is obtained from a non-living source, that is by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. He prepared alcohol by fermentation. What is alcohol? Alcohol, it's a colorless, volatile. Volatile means evaporate at room temperature. Flammable, which can catch fire, liquid, and is the main ingredient in the wines, beers and other drinks, and it's produced by fermentation. Now what is fermentation? As we have discussed in the previous video, that it's a chemical breakdown of substances by bacteria, microorganisms in the absence of oxygen, giving off heat. Thank you.